Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tech tips and explorations. Looking to elevate your travel experiences? Musement.com might just be your new go-to platform. This online portal offers a diverse array of activities, tours, and attractions, allowing you to effortlessly book experiences that cater to your unique interests. Whether you're a history buff yearning to delve into ancient ruins, a foodie eager to sample local delicacies, or an adrenaline junkie seeking thrilling adventures, Musement provides a curated selection to enhance your travels. The platform's user-friendly interface simplifies the booking process, letting you secure tickets and reserve spots with just a few clicks. From skip-the-line access to iconic landmarks to immersive guided tours and hands-on workshops, Musement offers a broad spectrum of options to enrich your journey. Discover hidden gems and unlock unforgettable moments in destinations worldwide, all conveniently accessible through this comprehensive travel companion. Musement.com empowers you to transform ordinary trips into extraordinary adventures, crafting memories that will last a lifetime. Explore diverse cultures, connect with local communities, and embrace the authentic spirit of each destination you visit. With Musement, the possibilities are endless, allowing you to personalize your itinerary and truly experience the heart and soul of every place you explore. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or an extended expedition, Musement.com offers the tools and resources to create a seamless and enriching travel experience, making every moment count. So, before you embark on your next adventure, be sure to check out Musement.com and unlock a world of possibilities. Dive into a curated collection of experiences, connect with the essence of your chosen destination, and make your travel dreams a reality.